So in the United States, we have 5 different toxins: Botox, Dysport, Xeomin, Jeuveau, Daxxify. 2 more are going to come out this year. What's the difference between all of them? All of them have the same active ingredient, which is called botulinum toxin type A. Okay, and I have this handy little model here to show you what it looks like. This is what the Botox molecule looks like. All right, this is the active ingredient to the Botox molecule. This is the stabilizing protein. This is what's the same with all the products. This is what's different, or maybe different from all the products, and some inert ingredients. When this gets injected into your body, it disassociates, this floats away, this does the work, all right? And this does a couple of things. One, it stabilizes the protein and allows it to travel farther. So with brands like Botox, Dysport, and Jeuveau, they all contain an accessory protein. They tend to travel farther, which helps spread out, especially in the frontalis muscle, the muscle of the forehead. I'll see it spread out a little bit more. Whereas Xeomin and Daxxify is more precise, so where we put it is where it goes. Xeomin and Daxxify are just the active ingredients. Daxxify has some peptides in there that helps speed up the process, kicks in a couple days quicker. But if you just want active ingredient, go Xeomin or Daxxify. Some people will react to the accessory protein. About 2% of the population will build up an immune response to this. And if you build up an immune response to this, you might build up an immune response to this. And if you build up an immune response to this, you might get an immune response to this. And if that happens, none of the stuff works anymore because they all have this. So pick your product, stick with it. If you like it, don't change. You won't get the immune response, or less likely to get the immune response. If you're worried about immunity, stick with Daxxify or Xeomin. Those are cleaner product for immune system, but at the end of the day, they all work. They're all going to kick into 2 weeks. They're all going to last 2 to 4 months, and you're going to love the results. So that's the fun fact for today. Hope you learned something.